to send me the link. I'll upload it to my YouTube channel. And okay, yesterday evening I've just uploaded it. Okay, the yesterday's class, and today also I'll do the same thing. Copy this problem, all of you. This will be for 10 marks. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write down this problem. This is for 10 marks. This will be for 10 marks. Please copy it. It's a mixture of all 4 or 5 laws together, and you need to use the laws simultaneously and then simplify it. It's a question involving the application of all 4 or 5 laws simultaneously and then simplify. If you find any spelling corrections, please try to manage with that. Okay, while typing the things, things may go wrong. And shall I continue? I just read it once for you. I just read it for you once. 7 root of x square divided by y to the power of minus half into 5 into root of x square divided by 3 into root of y square multiplied x raised to the power of minus 2 divided by 7 x raised to the power of minus 2 by 7 divided by 3 into root of y multiplied root of y divided by x to the power x raised to the power of minus 2 by 5. Look at the complication. We have square roots, we have powers, we have powers with exponents with negative sign and all, and you need to simplify this. Okay. Do you have any textbook with you? Anybody?
No, sir.
Don't have any textbook? Okay. That's fine. I'll just manage with these things only. Shall I continue? Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
All of
Yes,
you have taken the problem. Okay, if it is not visible, I'll just enter into full screen. Yeah. This is what exactly it is. Now, please tell me which law you need to apply to begin with. To begin with, which law you have to apply?
Sixth law, sir.
Which is that law? Nth root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 by n, right?
Sixth law, sir.
Sixth law, right? Okay, apply that law and then you simplify all the square roots. Apply sixth law. Apply sixth law. I'll go a bit slow. apply sixth law, then simplify all roots. Then we'll continue. Do that. Do that. It is quite evident and everything is written there. Okay, elaborately it is explained. Elaborately it is explained. Have we did it? How many are there on the line now? How many are there in the
42, sir.
42 are there? Okay, fine. You can simplify all the roots. You can simplify all the roots. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the next step? What's the next step that you're supposed to do? After taking the sixth law into account and simplifying that, apply that a to the power of m to the power of n law, a power m whole power n. Apply that law. Which is that law? I think fourth law maybe.
Yes, sir. Fourth law.
Yeah, apply fourth law. And if you apply fourth law, you will get this third step. Are you following? I am not going in depth because already you know the application of laws. Only thing is you need to work out and see which is the best law that you can think of. See which is the best law that you can think of. And you have any question, any kind of questions, you can ask me. I'll help you. Hello? Have you applied the fourth law?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After applying the fourth law, do the possible simplification. Okay, any cancellations, okay, summing up, or maybe kind of simplification like that you do. And okay, you are going to get the next step. Look at this. Okay, if you do this third step, you will get x to the power of 2 to the power of half. You can do this, x to the power of m to the power of n, x to the power of mn, fourth law, that becomes 2 by 2. You can cancel this. Similarly here also, x to the power of 2 to the power of half, 2 by 2. You will get 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You will get power 1 here. And now x to the power of minus 2 by 7. And here it is root y is there, and root y that gets converted into y raised to the power of half. And if you do the simplification, okay, here you will get x 7 into x to the power of 1. You are getting it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Similar, just proceed with the next step. Next, go to the next step. and you tell me where exactly you feel my assistance. You feel like having my assistance, having my help, I'll help you. Otherwise, you can simplify this on your own. Now, I hope you have become self-reliant. Just, I'll give you the problem and you can solve it. I have some 10 or 15 of like that. I'll try to collect some more. Have you simplified this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no questions? Any
No
questions?
question.
No, sir.
Any questions ilva? Artha ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Easy ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ multiply all constants. Multiply hello disturbance Raghavendra. Multiply on constants. And after multiplying, you will get this 35. And go to the last step. Last step. Here you will get x to the power of 2 minus 2 by 7. And that 2 minus 2 by 7 is because of this. X to the power of 1 plus 1 minus 2 by 7. If you just go back, okay, if you move back, if you work it out in the backward direction, and here x power 1 is there, and in the
sir, same power variables, different powers, we can add them together, sir.
Yeah, you can add them together. That's it. Okay, that's fine. You can add them together, and you can simplify if possible. Otherwise, you can just leave it like that. If possible, you can simplify. Otherwise, you can leave it. You can just close it. Shall I move on to the next one? If you don't have any question, I can just move on to the next one. It's all about your simplification only. Application of laws is over. Application of laws is done. You are left with only simplification procedure. Just it's no matter of time. Just simplify, and to the extent possible you can do that. Otherwise you can close it to the last step. LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ simplification ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Okay, if you are not good at taking at LCM and simplification, okay, nobody asks about LCM at this point of time. Okay, otherwise you can just leave it, close it. You can close it. Shall I go to the next one? You have any questions?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Anybody, any questions? Don't hesitate. Anybody, any questions? Don't hesitate. Okay. See, here at this point of time, taking LCM is not mandatory. Taking LCM is not mandatory. It's all left to you. Because, okay, here we check only whether you could able to apply the proper law at proper time at proper sequence. ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ okay, probably it's a matter of some 1 or 2 marks. Okay, I said this is for 10 marks. Okay, simplification ಏನಾದ್ರು if you do some mistake, okay, you may be losing some 1 or 2 marks. Otherwise you'll get maybe okay 7 or 8 marks aram se. Fine, shall I move on to the next one? Hello?
Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, she has continued further. Okay, and okay, you can copy this problem. Okay, she has continued till further. The same problem is continuing here. Okay, she has simplified to the last extent. Okay, ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ you can just continue this. She has taken LCM, she has simplified it. Okay, converted it. Okay, and then she did some fraction addition. And anyway, the PPT will be there with you. The YouTube copy will be there with you. At any point of time, you can just cross check it. You can rework it. Okay. See, my concern is that listening to the class alone is not sufficient. Are you following me? Sumed, you're there. Hita, you're there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please listen to me carefully. Take my words seriously. Take my words seriously. I have a purpose to say this. I have a purpose to say this. Bari class ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಯಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Why I'm taking so much of effort to reach you is that after listening to the class, after having a copy of this problem, okay, you need to solve it on your own. Try it. Try it on your own. If you face any difficulties,
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell
Sir,
me,
in
tell
the
me.
last third step, sir. In last third step, that
Yeah.
9x, sir. 9x to the power of minus 2 by 5.
1 second. 9x. This slide only.
Yes, sir. This slide only.
Yeah.
Last fourth step is there, no, sir. 9x minus 2 by 5. The next
Okay.
step, the next step, the x will go up, no, sir.
Yeah, if you are taking it up, okay, just change the sign.
Yes, sir. I got it. But why does 9 does not go up, sir?
Generally, the law says only variables you can take the inverse. If you take 9 upwards, okay, you will get 1 by 9. 1 by 9 you have to convert. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it.
Yeah, the law says only the exponents or the variables you can take the reciprocation. Okay, it doesn't mean that you cannot take 9 to the upwards or the downwards. If you are taking that, accordingly the value gets changed. Okay, you take 1 by 9 and then put it in the numerator. No problem.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Generally, we don't take that 1 by 9. 1 by 9 gets into fraction again. Okay, fraction numbers, it's a kind of hell. Don't try with that. Okay, try with this, no variables. Okay,
Okay, sir.
see, try to understand the concept of this indices. We are more worried, more concerned, and I can say more oriented towards application of this laws, especially this 4 or 5 laws. And as per the laws, generally we focus more on variables. We focus more on variables less on constants. This is a simple agenda. That's it. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, fine then. Shall I continue with the next? Okay, have you copied this?
Yes, sir.
Have you copied this? Okay, if you have copied the complete problem, okay, from this first step to the last step, okay, please somebody send me the image to the chat box. Let me check how neatly I've written. Sumedh is not there. Your voice is not being heard. Hello. Vishwas, you're there? Hello? I don't know how many of... Yeah, Srikanth. Good. Fine. Okay, I got one reply. Vishwas. Yes, Vishwas, send me copy. Send me a copy of your rating. Vishwas is there. Yeah. Hita, you also send me a copy of your writing. Let me check. Good, good. All of you are fine. Hita, please send me a copy of your writing. Yes. ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಗಂಟಲು ನೋಯಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಸಿನೀರು ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಶಲ್ ಐ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್? Shall I go with the next one?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write down this. Take this problem. Take this problem, all of you. Hello. Write down this problem. 4x squared whole raised to the power of 3 divided by 2x cube whole raised to the power of 2 plus 6x to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 2 divided by 3x square whole raised to the power of 3. I am not going to explain anything for you now. Okay, it's all, everything is all left to you. You just simplify and give me the solution, and you just tell me that okay, we got the answer, and I'll interfere if and only if you have a doubt. Otherwise, no. It's all, everything is left to you now. Please simplify. It's a simple law. You are going to apply fourth law now. Fourth law and I think second or third law. A power m by a power n. That law you have to apply, and a power m power n you have to apply, and two laws you are going to apply, and then the mere simplification. That's it. Simplify and then tell me. I will not interfere with you. I will not disturb you. I will not question you unless and until you have a doubt. Unless and until you disturb me, I will not disturb you. Okay, let me check how many of you are going to disturb me. How many of you are going to ask me the questions? Okay, you can take 5 to 10 minutes to solve this. First you copy this, then you think over it, and then you just work on this. Please continue. I have some another 15-20 slides. After that, I'll just give only problems to you. No solutions. You have to work. You're there? All of you are working on this. Hello? Deepak?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are doing, sir.
Yeah, please. Questions idre keli heltini. Don't worry. No hesitation. And you just focus on the law. ಯಾವ ಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Let me check how many are there, and this is 42 participants. Deepak, Dhyan, you're there, man? Hello, Dhyan? Hello? Dhyan, PV? You're there or not? Gagan? You're not answering. Harish? No answer. Ishita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are doing it. You are working on the problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moksha? Moksha,
Yes,
how are
sir.
you? Yeah, please,
I'm
please.
good, sir.
Yeah, please work on
I'm
work.
doing the problem, sir.
Yeah, okay, continue. Nagadanesh, no problem. I don't know about Nikhil. Nikhil, unmute yourself. Tell me whether you are working on this or not. This is the problem. Few people answer, few people don't answer. We don't have,
Sir, I have one doubt.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
Mayur.
can you explain the fourth step?
Nagadanesh, you want me to explain the fourth step?
Yes, sir. Fourth step, please, sir.
Yeah. I'll start from the beginning. Okay, there is a law, what is called as AB whole raised to the power of M. I don't know whether that particular law is explained there or not. AB whole raised to the power of M. Then I can write that as A to the power of M into B to the power of M. There are two different bases. Okay, here I am trying with new variants. One second. Here I am trying with new variants. Here 4 is also one base you can take. X is also one base you can take. And there is a common power to the power of 3. And this power 3 to be applied to the 4 as well as to the variable. This power 3 you have to consider for the constant as well as to the variable. Now if you do that, 4 to the power of 3 into x to the power of 2 to the power of 3. Understood?
Understood.
Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Now, similarly, if I do that, 2 to the power of 2 into x to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 2. If I do the simplification, this becomes 4 to the power of 3 and this becomes x to the power of 6. A to the power of m to the power of n. a power m whole raised to the power of n, a to the power of mn, x to the power of 2 into 3, and here also x to the power of 2 into 3. Okay, here 4 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 2, x to the power of 6, and here x to the power of 6. Directly you can cancel, and okay, we have applied this law 6 minus 6 anta a power m by a power n law apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Everything is, we are just giving more focus on this application of laws ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next, plus, and use the same concept. 6 to the power of 2 into x to the power of 3 power 2, that is 6. Again 3 to the power of 3, x to the power of 6. Now if I do that, 4 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 2, x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 6, 6 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 3, x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 6. Now, okay, here 4 to the power of 3, you can write it as 4, you can write it as 2 to the power of 2. Can't be.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, rather than going into much that complicated stuff, we could directly cancel x part 6, x part 6, no, sir?
You can do.
Because converting 4 into 2 squared would again be complicated, sir. So
No.
we do.
I can understand your concern. I am there with you. Here,
Yes, sir.
what I have considered is that I want you to make more sure about, okay, conversion of, okay, these bases into powers, and then simplifying the powers, and then application of laws like that. Okay, I have focused more on making you to learn about indices. Okay, cancellation part na ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ಸ್.
Sir, if we do cancel and reduce the steps, will there be any reduction in marks or something like that, sir?
I'm not sure about. It all depends on the people who are there in the board. Some people some people say that ರೀ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಳು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಹಾಕಂಡ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರೀ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ ಅಂತ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು?
5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್.
5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ.
ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ ಅರವಿಂದ್
ಸರ್
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತರಿಸಬಹುದು, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಕೆಲವರು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಜೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕರೋನಾ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪಾಪ, ಅವರುನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಮೊದಲಾಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ಇಂಡಿಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಲಾಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ಲಾ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಾವು ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 power 3 divided by 2 power 2, x power 6 divided by x power 6. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತರಿಸಬಹುದು. ಇದು 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, 4 cubed by 2 cubed plus
ಇವೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಹಳೆ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂತಾರು. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆತರ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Use your calculator and simplify. 64 divided by 4. Okay, 4 to the power of 3 is 64. 2 to the power of 2 is 4 alva. 64 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 16 4s 64 ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು 16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 2 to the power of 2 2 to the power of 4 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 to the power of 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಲೋ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Yeah, direct cancel ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ 6 ಪವರ್ x ಪವರ್ 6 x ಪವರ್ 6 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಪವರ್ 6 x ಪವರ್ 6 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 36 divided by 27. 36 divided by 27. 16.
4/3 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4/3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೀ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 16 plus 4 divided by 3.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ 3 LCM ತಗೋಬಹುದು.
Okay, you can do. See, I am not teaching you simplification. Please mind this. Okay, I am not teaching you simplification. I am not teaching you LCM. I am not teaching you multiplication. I am not teaching you addition. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I am just telling you about, giving you a kind of orientation. Okay, giving you a kind of awareness, understanding about the application of laws of indices. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು LCM ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಅವೇರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಲಾಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್?
Yes sir.
Understood? Yes?
Yes sir.
Yeah, you can do that. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 16 plus 4/3 is the answer. You can do the LCM and take the LCM and you can do whatever you want. Who stops you? Any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
Are you able to follow?
Sir, can you explain the
Yes,
last
sir.
step?
One second. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅದು? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
Sir,
ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನೋ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಂಗೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ
Hello?
ಸರ್, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ ಆ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅದೇ ಓಕೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 you can write it as 2 to the power of 2. Understood? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
4 you can write it as 2 to the power of 2, and 2 to the power of 2 whole raised to the power of 3. X power 6 ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. 2 to the power of 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. X power 6 ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ. You can write 6 as 2 into 3. You can write 6 as 2 into 3. Understood? 2 into 3 whole raised to the power of 2. Again 3 to the power of 3 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Next here this you can write it as 2 to the power of 6. I am using my best possible knowledge to get common basis. ಇದೇನು ಅಜೆಂಡಾ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಸರ್.
ಕಾಮನ್ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ ನನಗೆ. ಆಲ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬೇಸಸ್ ನೌ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಐದರ್ 2 or 3. ಎರಡೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಗ ಇರೋದು ನನಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸು 2 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸು 3 ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 power 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 2 power 2 ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಲಾ a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, that is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Okay, you have the law. I think second or third law. Do you remember?
Third law, sir.
Yeah, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, that is your law is there, and you can apply that. A 2 to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the power of 2, you can convert that into 2 to the power of 6 minus 2, that is 2 to the power of 4. Understood?
Understood, sir.
Yeah, x power 6, x power 6. Direct ಆಗಿ cancel ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ 6 minus 6 ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, no problem. Okay, that is of no issue at all. And here also the same thing. Here you can write this, the second part, 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. You can do that. Now 2 power 2 as it is. Now this is 3 power 2 and 3 power 3. 3 power 2 minus 3. This 3 in the denominator, exponent 3, because of its common base, okay, if you move it to the upper side, if you take it to the numerator, the sign gets changed, that power becomes minus 3. The
Got it,
power
sir.
becomes, understood? The power becomes minus 3. Understood? Hello?
Understood, sir. Continue.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Understood.
Now, x power 6 is dummy, of no use. Direct cancel ಮಾಡಿ, no problem at all. Now, after that, 2 power 6 minus 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 power 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. X power 6 ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, that is 0. Any base raised to the power of 0 is 1. You know this law. A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. You know this law?
First law.
Yeah. Is it first law? Any number or any base raised to the power of 0 is 1. A to the power of 0 is 1. Okay. Or you can simply,
Yes,
that
sir.
is cancelled, you can just leave it. Hello? Tell me.
Continue, sir.
Yeah. After that, this is 2 power 2. Now 3 to the power of 2 minus 3. 3 to the power of 2 minus 3. This is 3 to the power of minus 1. Followed?
Okay. Follow,
Yeah.
sir. Continue,
6
sir.
power minus 6 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You can stop your answer at this point. Next simplification, we are not bothered. We are not bothered about the next step of simplification. ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ just leave it. And this is what exactly answer is. Now if you want the final answer, I can just say this: 16 plus 4 by 3. 16 plus 4 by 3 is the answer. 4 by 3, that is what is 4 by 3? Simplification, decimal. Okay, 16 plus 4 by 3. Use your calculator and then simplify and then close it.
Sir, 4 by 3 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್?
2 power 2 4
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
3 to the power of minus 1. A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m.
Okay, so 1 by 3.
1 by 3. That is 4 by 3.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
That is 4 by 3. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Okay. Any more questions?
No, sir.
No question, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Please copy this and put it in the chat box. Please copy this problem and put it in the chat box. Hello? Hello?
Sir, doing, sir.
Yeah, please send it to me. I just verify it once. All of you should learn well. That's what exactly we need. Not learning one or two. All of you should learn well. I am just closing it by another 3 to 4 minutes. I have one more class at 12 o'clock.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
Shall I close it?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. Close,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Take care. See you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
ಯಾರು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು
Thank you,
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
sir.
ಇದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಯಾರು
Shashank.
ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ
Okay, sir.
ಶಶಾಂಕ್
Send it to us.
okay send it to my WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
I'll put it to my WhatsApp channel. Okay, ಯಾರು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ದೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ the same also will appear in my WhatsApp channel, and you can check it for use it for your reference. You can use it for your reference. Hello?
Okay, sir.
You can
Okay, sir.
use my for your reference. ಮನೇಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜೊತೆಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡಾಕ್ವಸಿ. You will be more self-sufficient. You will get